Hello, I'm Adam. I'm an actor, and acting is a visual medium, so looking your best is absolutely critical.
Adam has a special situation. He's a class 7 person, and he has a rim of hair on the scalp, and the whole top is gone. He does have a good eyebrow at the middle 2/3. The lateral 1/3 is kind of missing, so he has a little tiny baby hair. So I want to put some hair there. Also, he wants to restore this line of the beard to make it more a better frame, stronger frame to his face. He wants to have that defined, masculine, strong features on his face, and we're gonna give it to him. Hello. Hi. How are you? Adam, good to see you.
Dr. Mohebi is great. He knows what he's doing. He's one of the experts in the field. He doesn't give you false hope.
All right, he looks great.
Great, 8 months, I'm happy.
All right, that's
Yeah.
perfect. So let's see. We did the scalp, we did eyebrows, we did beard. Let's review them. Let's see what's going on.
Let's do it.
Let's start from the back of the head. So when we were looking from the sides, there was this portion of the crown that was showing. Just the crown was kind of balding. So we put some hair there to just make that evenness that we wanted. So the crown is a big area, but we have it not all pretty much like we have hair everywhere. It's not like a balding patch there.
Right.
And then look at those eyebrows.
Oh, yeah.
That's great. So we put beard hair for the tail of the eyebrow, so that the middle 2/3 of your own hair, and the tail is like the eyebrow from the beard that we extracted and put in there. It's a good match. The eyebrows are amazing. I love them. And beard, we make it nice and solid here. Kind of fading zone on both sides. You have a nice defined line. All right.
I'm happy.
So, how was it? How was the whole process?
Oh, it was great. So I got to the surgery center pretty much laid back and let the doctors do all the work. And I got to watch TV all day. So day after surgery, face is a little swollen. There's a little swollen and redness, which is normal. That lasts probably a week, maybe 2, and then it subsides, and then some little crusty scabs, a little bit, but you put the shampoo on it, and that helps that. And around 6 months, you start to see some of the results a little bit, and started to fill in, and we're 8 months now, so it's probably 80% density, so it's starting to fill in, look good.
This is just your 8 months, so especially for crown and top, the eyebrow and beard, you probably are seeing the full result because you don't need hair for to be too long to see the appearance of it.
Right.
But the crown, 8 months is just almost like the beginning of the time that you see the final appearance. So maybe next 4 or 5 months, you see more improvement, more bulk of the hair.
It's good when you start to notice growth. You know, you look a little better, a little more confident. You know, your hair looks better. So it's a slow process, but once you start seeing the results, it's like, all right, now it's coming. It's kind of like working out. You may not notice it at first, but as time goes, then you notice more results. He's a great surgeon, great doctor, and I'm definitely glad that I've stuck with him through my journey.